issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 a.m. At 11:38 p.m. Doppler radar indicated 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is additional rainfall amount of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Salem, Mount Laurel, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Northeast, West Deptford, and Florence. This includes the following highways: between mile markers 10 and 53, Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 4, near mile marker 6, New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 6A, Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 339 and 351, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1, New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 350.